Welcome to Chemistry Corner. Today we will discuss amine chapters. Give the structure of ABC type questions. So here the first one CH3CH2I. It is RX alloalkane in the presence of NaCN. So what will happen? This I will be substituted by Cn. So the answer for A is CH3CH2Cn. So now this is undergoing partial hydrolysis. So the functional group is cyanide. Cyanide on partial hydrolysis gives amide. So CH3CH2CONH2 amide. So next that is B. So B with NaOH and Br2, that is Hoffman bromamide reagent. So here Hoffman bromamide reaction takes place. So your structure C should be CH3CH2NH2, one carbon less. Amide changes to amine. So first I, that allergen changes to cyanide in the presence of NaCN. On partial hydrolysis, cyanide changes to amide. Amide in the presence of NaOH and Br2 changes to NH2. Here it is Hoffman bromamide reaction. Okay, now the second question. C6H5N2Cl, that is diazonium salt in the presence of copper cyanide. So here that cyanide will be substituted. Here it is what type of reaction it is? It is a Sandmeyer reaction. So this again cyanide on hydrolysis. Here there is no word of partial. So complete hydrolysis. So on complete hydrolysis, cyanide gives acid, carboxylic acid. So this carboxylic acid in the presence of ammonia on heat gives amide. So here it is C6H5CONH2. So first here Sandmeyer's reaction. So N2Cl is changed by cyanide. Cyanide on complete hydrolysis. There is no word of partial. So it is complete hydrolysis. It gives carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid in the presence of ammonia on heat gives amide. Okay, now the next question. Here again bromide with KCN. So at the beginning we are learned NaCN, allied with NaCN. So cyanide substituted by cyanide. Same way here bromide is substituted by cyanide. So CH3CH2Cn is your A. This again on hydrolysis. So hydrolysis means it gives CH3CH2COOH, complete hydrolysis, and again ammonia on heat it gives amide. So CH3CH2CONH2, that is amide. Okay, the next question now. Fourth one, CH3CH2Br. So again allied in the presence of KCN. You are able to tell the answer, children? Yes. Yes, it is CH3CH2Cn. So now cyanide, but here lithium aluminum hydride is there. That is reducing agent. So cyanide is reduced to amine. CH3CH2, already that alkyl group R group. Then now that cyanide is converted to amine, CH3NH2. And now here it is with the nitrous acid HNO2 in the present at 0 degrees Celsius. So here it is diazotization, but here aliphatic amine. So aliphatic amines end with alcohol. The end product is alcohol. So CH3CH2OH. Here diazonium salt will be formed, but that is unstable. So you will be getting the end product as alcohol. So alide changes to cyanide, cyanide on reduction. So the reagent we want to recall, the reagent work is here reduction. So it reduces the cyanide into amine, amine in the presence of HNO2. But here that R group we want to see, here R, it is not aryl, it is aliphatic. So aliphatic amines in the presence of nitrous acid end with alcohol. Okay children, next one. CH3COOH, carboxylic acid, ammonia on heat. Already we are seen, so it should be CH3CONH2. It is amide. So this amide with NaOBr, it is nothing but Hoffman bromamide reagent. It can be written as NaOH and Br2 or NaOBr. So in both the way we can write. So it is an Hoffman bromide reagent. So here CONH2 will change into B part is CH3NH2. It is a B. Now this is in presence of NaNO2HCl, that is nitrous acid. This nitrous acid is an in-situ reagent. On spot we have to prepare. It cannot be stored. So it is prepared with the help of NaNO2 bar HCl, and definitely it should be only in 0 degree Celsius. So now it is aliphatic again, so it will end up with alcohol. So C is alcohol, CH3OH. Okay. The next one, C6H5NO2 under iron bar HCl. This is a reducing agent. So NO2 reduces to C6H5NH2. It is a amine, that is aniline. So aniline in the presence of NaNO2 plus HCl, it forms stable diazonium salt C6H5N2Cl. So this with the presence of water. In the presence of water, it gives alcohol. That is now phenol. Phenol. So diazonium salt is formed. Stable diazonium salt is formed. But the same it is aliphatic, means in the presence of nitrous acid gives alcohol. Aromatic amine means in the presence of NaNO2 bar HCl, it gives stable diazonium salt. And here also that should be 0 degree Celsius. Okay, the last one, C6H5NO2 in the presence of iron bar HCl, the same pattern. So NO2 on reduction, it gives C6H5NH2. A is C6H5NH2. Again that same reagent, NaNO2 bar HCl. So it is a diazonium salt C6H5N2Cl. Now that reagent here added is phenol. So diazonium salt with the phenol, here it is a coupling reaction. So it gives coupling reaction, it gives a dye. So here it should be para-hydroxyazobenzene. It is para-hydroxyazobenzene. It is an orange color dye. Para-hydroxyazobenzene. It is orange dye. So this reaction is a coupling reaction. So here as it is a phenol is acidic, so here in presence of basic medium the reaction takes place. This reaction is called a coupling reaction. Thank you children, keep watching.